Welcome to another video on my robotic arm with pneumatic hand. All built with fischertechnik. Last time I ended with the idea to ease the analysis of the sensor problems with the hand right here and right here by making some data file, a log file, with all timestamps, and from that file I should be able to read much more and more relaxed. Looking through my code, that should be not too difficult, so let's see how that works out with the moving arm. So first some coding and then testing. Okay, so these are the remains of a software update, but I have to concentrate on this one. This is the log file that I made. Let's see what the log file contains. Yeah, this is unreadable. This, of course, should be on top. Then a new line, and yet another new line. So there need to be quite a few new lines. Going to text. So the writing is alright. Here I can put everything into the log file as well. But the most important thing is right here. Here I need to print a new line, and the same thing here. Assuming that is correct for new line, you never know. So let's do this first. And run. Oh, right. Forgot the double quote here. Just let me run to write something into the log file. And I will return very soon. And when it's right there, I assume it has written something. So quit, and okay. So this has begun to go well, and it has, that's another question, what does it do? It opens to append, not to write in the pen or to start at the pen, it just appends. Okay, whether that is a wise decision or not is something else, but that explains why this is here and the new stuff comes in. So seeking for some more stuff, which I already had written right here, but at least the new line code is correct. Okay. So let's go again. It will be appended again. Although not strictly necessary that I have to append. So I will look for the code or for the option to just write it to a new log file. Or maybe start the date and set it. Because seeing the difference is also nice. Alright. And here we have 15 seconds, 15 seconds. That is alright. 15 seconds is going from the base to here. But the problem now is it ends here, 15 seconds. But do I see it? Not really. And the 15 seconds is the time that this gear is releasing this cord, which means this hand. So that's the question. Does it last 15 seconds to release it? Because the objective is still that I see something change with these two sensors. That remains to be seen for now. My code is now going to be considerably longer because every print statement I want into the log file, or that I want to be in the log file, has to be equaled by 3 f-write strings. Now thankfully I can copy a lot of things, but still f-write has to be written 3 times. And then it remains to be seen if everything has been covered. And this still has to be done. Here things have already been done. So it is saved. Let's see how this ends for now. If I didn't make any mistake. And using Python being not a compiler but an interpreted language, I can only find out if things are correct if I don't meet any mistakes along the way. So right now here it is pulling, not releasing. So for now it is releasing again. It is releasing the arm. And now it's pulling again. So the distance that it is being released is quite short. And I want it to be released at least some bits, so 15 is probably too short time. Anyway, I'll end and let's see. Okay. Oh, a lot of the things that I had put in here, being here, is not even in it. Oops. It's not being triggered, as to say. So I'll have to code again and more of it, because T-Digital 5, oh wait, T-Digital 5 is of course when I touch the hand sensors, being this one and all the other ones, so those are not in question right now. So it's only the lower part of the code that is interesting right now. Saying that, I have to increase the time, and let's increase it to 20 seconds. let's try that. So 20, 20, and this is the moment, 20, and well, that's the end. No, it is 20, not 20, 205. There was yet another place where it was, yes, here, 20, again 20, and here the most important part, 20. So let's test that as well. Okay, so I recall that I had to change the file writing technique as well, and it had append. Changed it to write append, which did not work because it can only have one argument, and write gives exactly nothing. So that means that I somehow have to stick for append for now, which does not matter. And I will open the interface. Why will that be? Really? That's new for me. Why is the interface open? Can I open here the interface? I can open it. I can close it again. I can open the other interface. Yes. I can close it again. No errors. This is something I did not expect, obviously. Stopped. Oh wait, there are still processes going on. Which one should I take? FT diagnosed, yes, I'm fine with that. Oh wait, I think I have to kill this one or bring it forward. Bring it forward seems nicer. So because this one is still running, I can't do it. Okay, let me check that out. Alright, so I found a culprit. I had to use the command foreground FG to restart it, but since I do not know if any changes of mine have been kept, I interrupted it anyway and starting it over again. Now things will work. And it's again pulling, not releasing. Now it is releasing, but as you can see here, it is not really somewhere here where I want it to be. So how long does it release? Well, it does release for 20 seconds, but is that enough? No, it's not enough because it's already pulling. And you can't see, but it is pulling. So even at 20 seconds, I think, is not enough. And a second is a second, you would say. So why doesn't it respond according to my thing? Because I probably think the wrong way. Anyway. Let me point the camera in the better direction. Somewhere along here. And let me then and again not a very long file. 20 seconds and 20 seconds. Is it 20 seconds indeed? This is 5980, this is 60. So yes, that should say 20 seconds. This is what? This is 53 and this is 73. So, and 39 and 59. So that would say 20 seconds. So the only problem is, of course, that 20 seconds of this work gear makes this a very slow 20 seconds. Well, a slow rotation of during 20 seconds. So it may very well be, because the time is of the motor and that work gear, that I have to considerably lengthen the time. I think that's the point. Question is how long, and that will be experimental. Okay, and to conclude this one, because the experiment will be another time, the next time, I'm still working on this part of the schematics. So motor of the hand pitch with the worm gear and hand pitch left, hand pitch right. That is what it is about. And well, what it is about for now, because there's a lot more, as you know, when you have seen the whole series of part of it. So for now, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. You will understand that the noise is still the robot which is moving, and this is going to be continued. You can subscribe by clicking on the thumbnail in the bottom right corner, and you can support by either becoming a patron and have your name mentioned, or donating via IBAN or PayPal, and you don't need the PayPal account. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.